What is up, guys? So if you have liked that post on Instagram and you want to see what post that you have liked, or you just want to see the likes, the old likes that you have left for other people on Instagram, here is exactly how you can do that. All you have to do, guys, is open your Instagram to see your liked posts on Instagram. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to just open your profile. You want to click your profile at the very bottom. Right now, you are on your profile on Instagram. Now, if you want to see the liked posts, you want to click three lines in the top right, as you can see here in the top right corner. And after that, you want to click on your activity. Okay, you want to click on your activity. Now, a few different options will come up here. Now, if you want to see liked posts, you want to click on interactions. Okay, now after you click on interactions, you will see here a few different options where it says comments, likes, story replies, reviews, not interested. Now, all these things, if you click in one of them, it will show you the old comments, old likes, old stories. So now you clicked on this video because you want to see likes. You want to click on likes, and here you will find all the people that you have liked. I mean, the people that you have left a like for. So these are the people that I have liked on my Instagram account. Now that's how you can see your liked posts on Instagram. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need anything.